Andariki Namaskaram. Today we are going to see the numbers in Telugu. 1. 1 in Telugu we can say Vakati. Vakati. 2 in Telugu we can say Rendu. For 3 in Telugu we can say Moodu. For 4 we can say in Telugu Nalugu. For 5 in Telugu we can say Aidu. For 6 in Telugu we can say Aru. For 7 in Telugu we can say Edu. For 8 in Telugu we can say Enimidi. For 9 in Telugu we can say Tummidi. For 10 in Telugu we can say Padi. For 11 in Telugu we can say Padakundu. For 12 in Telugu we can say Pannendu. For 13 we can say in Telugu Padamudu. For 14 in Telugu we can say Padnalugu. For 15 in Telugu we can say Padiyenu. For 16 in Telugu we can say Padaru. For 17 you can say in Telugu Padiyedu. For 18 in Telugu we can say Padiyemindi. For 19 we can say in Telugu Pattomidi. For 20 in Telugu we can say Iravai. For 21 in Telugu we can say Iravai Okkati. For 22 in Telugu we can say Iravai Rendu. For 23 in Telugu we can say Iravai Moodu. Iravai Moodu. For 24 in Telugu we can say Iravai Nalugu. Iravai Nalugu. For 25 in Telugu we can say Iravai Aidu. Iravai Aidu. For 26 in Telugu we can say Iravai Aru. Iravai Aru. For 27 in Telugu we can say Iravai Edu. Iravai Edu. For 28 in Telugu we can say Iravai Enimidi. Iravai Enimidi. For 29 in Telugu we can say Iravai Tummidi. Iravai Tummidi. For 30 in Telugu we can say Muppai. Muppai. For 31 in Telugu we can say Muppai Okati. Muppai Okati. For 32 in Telugu we can say Muppai Rendu. Muppai Rendu. For 33 in Telugu we can say Muppai Moodu. Muppai Moodu. For 34 in Telugu we can say Muppai Nalugu. Muppai Nalugu. For 35 in Telugu we can say Muppai Aidu. Muppai Aidu. For 36 in Telugu we can say Muppai Aru. Muppai Aru. For 37 in Telugu we can say Muppai Edu. Muppai Edu. For 38 in Telugu we can say Muppai Enimidi. Muppai Enimidi. For 39 in Telugu we can say Muppai Tummidi. Muppai Tummidi. For 40 in Telugu we can say Nalabai. Nalabai. For 41 in Telugu we can say Nalabai Okkati. Nalabai Okkati. For 42 in Telugu we can say Nalabai Rendu. Nalabai Rendu. For 43 in Telugu we can say Nalabai Moodu. Nalabai Moodu. For 44 in Telugu we can say Nalabai Nalugu. 44. For 45 in Telugu we can say 45. 45. For 46 in Telugu we can say 46. 46. For 47 in Telugu we can say 47. 47. For 48 in Telugu we can say 48. 48. For 49 in Telugu we can say 49. 49. For 50 in Telugu we can say 50. For 51 in Telugu we can say 51. 51. For 52 in Telugu we can say 52. 52. For 53 in Telugu we can say 53. 53. For 54 in Telugu you can say 54. 54. For 55 in Telugu we can say 55. 55. For 56 in Telugu we can say 56. 56. For 57 in Telugu we can say 57. 57. For 58 in Telugu we can say 58. 58. For 59 in Telugu we can say 59. 59. For 60 60. In Telugu 60. 61 in Telugu we can say 61. 61. For 62 in Telugu we can say 62. 62. For 63 we can say in Telugu 63. 63. For 64 in Telugu we can say 64. 64. For 65 in Telugu we can say 65. 65. For 66 in Telugu we can say 66. 66. For 67 in Telugu we can say 67. 67. For 68 in Telugu we can say 68. 68. For 69 in Telugu we can say 69. 69. For 70 in Telugu we can say 70. 70. So 71 we can say in Telugu 71. 71. For 72 in Telugu we can say 72. 72. For 73 in Telugu we can say 73. 73. For 74 in Telugu we can say 74. 74. For 75 in Telugu we can say 75. 75. For 76 in Telugu we can say 76. 76. For 77 in Telugu we can say 77. 77. For 78 in Telugu we can say 78. 78. For 79 in Telugu we can say 79. 79. For 80 in Telugu we can say 80. 80. For 81 in Telugu we can say 81. 81. For 82 in Telugu we can say 82. 82. For 83 in Telugu we can say 83. 83. For 84 in Telugu we can say 84. 84. For 85 in Telugu we can say 85. 85. For 86 in Telugu we can say 86. 86. For 87 in Telugu we can say 87. 87. For 88 in Telugu we can say 88. 88. For 89 in Telugu we can say 89. 89. For 90 in Telugu we can say 90. 90. For 91 in Telugu we can say 91. 91. For 92 in Telugu we can say 92. 92. For 93 in Telugu we can say 93. 93. For 94 in Telugu we can say 94. 94. For 95 in Telugu we can say 95. 95. For 97 you can say 97. 97. For 98 in Telugu we can say 98. 98. For 99 in Telugu we can say 99. 99. For 100 we can say in Telugu Vanda. Vanda.